Instagram post not showing this error. Welcome to Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove welcome to Instagram. So let's see how to do this. Viewers, this problem usually occurs when you create a new account on Instagram and you have zero following. To remove this problem, first follow few accounts and then go to Reels section. Now like and comment on some Reels. Now go back to home screen and refresh homepage. Now see problem solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, then follow next step. Go back to home screen and then find Instagram apps. Now long press on Instagram apps and then open Instagram app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Tap on clear cache. Go back. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store. Now update your Instagram apps. Search Instagram. Update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Hopefully this method will remove welcome to Instagram problem.